number 2, jumpers ready. Jersey number 29 now, the replacement jersey number 0, that was Skinner. Score 16-15, 1 point lead para sa Barangay Ilang-Ilang. Time remaining 5 minutes and 55 seconds to play, under 5 minutes to play. Jersey number 4, Darpasa, is the Pierre. 15 on the shot clock. Nice defense dito para kay jersey number 2, 12 on the shot clock. Intercepted jersey number 7, jersey number 16, and that is number 2. Score 18-15. Jersey number 0 and pass. 6 second rule. Corner pass. Jersey number 24. It's a line violation. Barangay Cabe. Time remaining 4 minutes and 28 seconds to play. Para sa ating first quarter score 18-15. A 3-point lead para sa Barangay Ilang-Ilang. Para sa ating first quarter, score 18-15, a 3-point lead para sa Barangay Ilang-Ilang. Jersey number 16, Anya, easy down, easy dribbling. Presenting the play, looking for the other man. Pass from Kuyo, back to Anya, 15 on the shot clock. Pass from Pierre to jersey number 16, Anya, drop pass to jersey number 8. Nice indication and turnover. 4 minutes and 13 seconds to play. Jersey number 0, quick cross, intercepted jersey number 17. On the roll, lace it up. Lace up, para ko rin ang aming bola. Barangay Takipol. Time remaining 4 minutes and 3 seconds to play. Jersey number 0, quick cross, and jersey number 17, on the roll. Passing the middle, jersey number 27, intercepted jersey number 16, and got on the roll. Lace up. There's a back out, maybe jersey number 0, it was Junior. That is first now, penalty. Substitution. Jersey number 4 out, replacement jersey number 11, Aguinaldo. 2 free throws for jersey number 16, Anyag. First shot is good. Score 19-15. Send Lazo for jersey number 16. Jumpers ready. Time remaining 3 minutes and 50 seconds to play. Rebound jersey number 18. Walang punta kay Staggerol. Paano ba naman ako jersey number 18? Jersey number 18. Let's go for 2. Jersey number 11. Aguinaldo. And jersey number 2. Quick cross. Pass to jersey number 24. Hold on the shot. Jersey number 24. To jersey number 0 for 3. Let's go. Power rebound. Para dito kay jersey number 16. Yan. Pass to jersey number 18, corner pass to jersey number 2 for 3. Jersey number 2, 3. 4-24-15. Jersey number 21, Pauli ba? It's good. Bari mo na rebound. Okay, jersey number 27. Goal on the shot clock. It's been moving. Jersey number 18. Nice defense by jersey number 18. 8-second shot clock. 8 seconds to shoot. Pass jersey number 11. Looking for 3 minutes. Second shot clock. Intercept.